Hey Lana. Can you say ah? There it is. Are you having tea? They're not really, Dad, but there's a tea set over there. What do you think about Kayla? Can you go pat Kayla's hair? Kayla? Can you go feel Kayla's hair? Yeah. What do you think about Kayla's hair? Yeah? Somewhere over there we have a silly, silly boy. There he is. Whoops. Hey bud, what's it? We don't know and we don't ask. Thank you, Lana. Yeah. Somebody's glad to have Mommy and Daddy home and Kayla home. We have silliness happening. And down he goes again. And this little relationship here, we hope, blossoms into a great friendship in the years to come.